From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
This derivative is quite an interesting one. It says find the derivative of y equals x plus 1 to the power of x squared. So what you want to do is take the natural log of both sides. So if we have y to be x plus 1 to the power of x squared, natural log of both sides will be natural log of x plus 1 to the power of x squared. And so from the laws of logarithm, the power x squared will multiply the natural log. So natural log of y will be x squared natural log of x plus 1. If you differentiate the natural log of y, what you will have is 1 over y times derivative of y with respect to x. And at our right hand side, since we have a product, we use the product rule. Product rule says if z is a product of u, v, which are functions of x, the z, the x will be v du plus u the v. So if our u in this case is x squared, the u will be 2x. If our v is natural log of x plus 1, the v will be 1 over x plus 1. This is what we will use here. So v natural log of x plus 1, the u is times 2x plus u s squared times the v, which is x plus 1. And now I can multiply through by y. The y, the x will leave us with y multiplying 2x natural log of x plus 1 plus x squared over x plus 1. Now what's our y is our question. The y, the x will be x plus 1 power x squared multiplying 2x natural log of x plus 1 plus x squared over x plus 1. This is our final answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.